Hello there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Geetika, your skin expert, and today we are diving into a common but annoying problem, how to cure dandruff. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Let's get started. Now before we jump into the solutions, let's understand what dandruff is. So dandruff is a common scalp condition that many people experience. Men, women, teens, adults, people in their 60s, basically anyone. It shows up as the flaking of dead skin cells from your scalp. A person may also experience itching, dryness, scalp redness, oily scalp and even hair loss. While it's entirely normal for our skin to shed dead cells, including the scalp, with dandruff the shedding process happens more quickly, leading to visible flakes in your hair and even on your shoulders sometimes. While dandruff might be frustrating and embarrassing at times, it's not something that will cause major health issues. That said, it can be annoying and affect your confidence. Okay, so now let's speak about the causes of dandruff. One of the main culprits is a tiny fungus called Malassezia furfur that lives on everyone's scalp. In some people, this fungus gets a bit too active and messes with the normal balance, leading to more skin cell turnover and thus dandruff. And there's more. Besides the fungus, other factors come into play. If you have an oily scalp, that creates a good environment for the fungus, which causes more dandruff. On the flip side, a dry scalp can also contribute to flaking. Your hair care routine can also have an impact. Some people are sensitive to certain ingredients in shampoos or hair products or even hair color. Using harsh products can irritate the scalp, making it more susceptible to dandruff. Then also, not only shampooing enough cannot be an issue, it also allows the dead skin cells and oils to build up, giving dandruff a perfect playground. And then there's also weather and climate. They can play a role too. In colder, drier months, our skin, including the scalp, tends to get drier, which can worsen dandruff. And let's not forget stress. While stress doesn't directly cause dandruff, it can make existing scalp conditions like dandruff flare up. Also, some studies have shown that a diet which is high in sugar and unhealthy fats may contribute to the growth of the fungus that causes dandruff. Even certain medical conditions like psoriasis, eczema can mimic dandruff symptoms. So the best way to cure dandruff is to first find out what's causing it, because need to consider every possibility and then cure it with the right treatment. There are several ways to manage dandruff effectively. First, you can try using anti-dandruff shampoos. They're readily available over the counter. These shampoos often contain ingredients like zinc pyrithione, ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, which help to control the fungus and reduce flaking. Use the shampoo regularly as per the instruction given on the label. Some require the shampoo to sit on your scalp for at least 5 minutes sometimes. To understand that which shampoo suits you the best, it's best to show your scalp to a doctor to understand what is the reason behind the dandruff and what are the aggravating factors. And a shampoo would be suggested to you, or maybe even a serum that can be left overnight. So make sure you meet the doctor and get the right recommendation. While using these shampoos, keep in mind to avoid using hair care products that can irritate your scalp and also cause more buildup, like harsh shampoos or styling gels. Keep your scalp clean by washing your hair regularly, but not excessively, as excessive washing can also dry out your scalp. While washing your hair, give your scalp a gentle massage to improve blood circulation and also loosen any dead skin cells which are already there. Also make sure rinse your hair thoroughly to remove any shampoo or conditioner residue. Conditioner is generally meant for the hair strand, and we discussed earlier, stress can worsen dandruff. So try to find out ways to manage stress through relaxation techniques, exercise or hobbies. If the over-counter products and good hair care practices don't help, it's a good idea to even consult your doctor then. They can examine your scalp and suggest prescription strength treatments and specialized options based on the specific cause of the dandruff. Generally, they prescribe stronger formulation, topical steroids, antifungal creams or lotions in that case, which are going to not only help in treating dandruff but also with associated seborrheic dermatitis or even oral medications. For treatments in the clinic, I would definitely recommend hydrofacial Keravi treatment. It is an exfoliating treatment that is almost like a facial for the scalp. It improves blood circulation, eliminates the scalp dryness, which is a known cause of itchiness and dandruff, and also helps getting your healthy, fuller hair back. While you're doing all these treatments, it's important to also focus on eating a diet high in omega-3 fatty acids and zinc. Also add probiotics to your lifestyle. You can take oral supplements that contain the bacteria lactobacillus to control dandruff. What not to do? If there's anything that you should not consider as a remedy for for dandruff is a DIY treatment. There's no evidence to support that any DIY treatment is going to be helpful. I see a lot of people who are using internet concoctions with coconut oil on their scalp as a dandruff treatment. But coconut oil actually has high concentration of lauric acid, which is a fatty acid and can help improve the bacteria survive on the scalp longer. So it can actually make dandruff and even seborrheic dermatitis much worse. And it can also intervene with your treatment even if you're using anti-dandruff shampoo suggested by the doctor. Also keep in mind that not all treatments work the same way for everyone. So it's essential to work closely with the doctor to find the best approach for your specific case. Remember that managing dandruff is a continuous process. Even if you find relief, it's a good idea to keep a gentle hair care routine and use anti-dandruff shampoo as and when required to prevent the dandruff flare-ups. And one thing, be patient. Results might not be instant, but with consistency and right treatments, we can help you bid farewell those pesky flakes for good. Remember, it's all about being consistent with your routine and finding what works best for you. And if you enjoyed this video and found my tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be dealing with dandruff. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and join the community. Thank you for being with me today. Take care of your scalp. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and confident inside and out. Bye for now.